Although security cameras have been around for more than 50 years, do-it-yourself wireless security cameras installed by consumers have only been available for a fraction of that time. Before that, most security cameras needed to be installed by professional technicians. However, a few factors have allowed wireless security cameras to evolve so that average consumers can install and use them. They've been designed to be easy to install, use, and understand. Because of marketplace competition, DIY wireless security cameras are relatively inexpensive, and technology that interacts with wireless security cameras, like home wireless networks, as well as other technologies, are easier to use and works seamlessly with each other. The best wireless security cameras should fit the needs of almost every consumer and budget. Number 1. Simply Safe 10-piece. If you're looking to install a wireless security camera and a DIY home security system along with it, the Simply Safe 10-piece wireless home security system might be your best bet. It's pricey but far less expensive than buying the components individually. But even more importantly, it lets you set up a whole security system right out of the box. What's in the box? In addition to the two 1080p cameras, indoors and outdoors, it also comes with a base station, keypad, motion sensors, and entry sensors. All the components, including the cameras, connect to the base station, which also includes the ability to generate a loud siren to scare off intruders. Although the inside security camera isn't the most robust model, the outside camera offers very good quality video with color night vision. What's also nice is that the Simply Safe mobile app is nicely designed to let you effectively interact with your entire setup, and it comes with the option of including a professional monitoring system. However, for the price, it would be nice if both cameras had the option to store videos locally. Number 2. Lorex 4K Spotlight. As a brand, Lorex has been making very good quality outdoor security cameras for many years. This model is no exception. It stands out because it captures very good quality 4K resolution video and has a very good 8-megapixel sensor that lets you shoot 8-megapixel photos with more detail and data. It also comes with Wi-Fi 6 technology, allowing faster data transmission with a compatible router to deliver impressive 4K resolution with fast loading time. Plus, it includes 2.4 of a GHz dual-band coverage for better connectivity. You can also use one of two smart motion detection features, person, vehicle, and animal detection or package detection, although both cannot be used simultaneously. It's not ideal for everyone, though. It's hardwired, so you may be more limited in where you need to place this model. It also doesn't have a battery backup, which can be useful for units that are wired. Number 3. DP-Link Tapo C310. Not only is this one of the most affordable security cameras on the market, but it's also great for those who want to avoid paying extra for cloud storage since you can store video locally by inserting a microSD memory card, up to 128 GB. However, it's also very versatile since it does offer a subscription plan if you'd rather subscribe to the brand's cloud service for storing video, TapeCare. Overall, it captures excellent quality video. However, it has a lower frame rate, just 15 frames per second. It also comes with night vision, but it's only in black and white, and not color. Pros. Very affordable. Excellent 2K resolution, 2304 by 1296, video quality. Versatile. Can connect wirelessly or via an Ethernet connection. Cons. Lacks support for HomeKit. Lower frame rate than other models. Field of view isn't as wide as other models. Number 4. Arlo Go 2. One thing almost every outdoor security camera requires is access to your home's wireless network. But what if you have poor reception or don't have a Wi-Fi network at all? If you're one of these people, consider the Arlo Go 2. It not only lets you hook up to a Wi-Fi network, but you can also use a cellular plan. However, if you choose the latter, you'll have to buy both a cellular plan and SIM card. Also, it only works with Verizon, US Cellular, and T-Mobile. It does have color night vision and two-way talk and audio, but it's not perfect for everyone. For instance, it provides you with the option of using cloud storage via one of Arlo's secure plans. Plans start at $4.99, which also lets you access special features or store your videos on local storage. Still, if you use local storage, you can't access the secure plan features, which include 30-day video recording, person, vehicle, and animal detection, and the ability to distinguish between them, and smart activity zones, which allow you to focus motion detection on a specific area within your camera's field of view. Number 5. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro. Although it's a bit pricey, There's a lot to like about this Ring wireless security camera. For starters, like the company's many doorbell cameras, it's easy to use and set up. However, since it needs a wired connection, you may be a bit limited when mounting this model outside your home. It produces excellent quality video, assisted by HDR features to provide video footage with better contrast and detail. That can be helpful if the location you're setting up to monitor is dimly lit during certain times of the day. Of course, that dim setting would also benefit from the two adjustable LED floodlights included on this Ring cam, rated at 3000 degrees Kelvin and 2000 lumen. There's a variety of other useful features that also make it worth the price, like color night vision. But it also includes additional smart features, like 3D motion detection, a customizable system, and a bird's eye view feature, which tracks a visitor, or intruder, on your property and provides you with a record of their path. It also has clear, two-way audio and a loud siren to scare away trespassers. However, in order to access videos and enable some features, you will need to subscribe to a Ring Protect plan, which starts at $3.99 a month.